think the future of BIM is the same as the answer to the question when AutoCAD first came out, what's the future of AutoCAD? BIM will be the industry standard.
Since 2010, Irish consulting services have increased in exports by 500%. That's a massive increase over the years, and a good proportion of those services have been as a direct result of BIM.
The increased adoption of digitisation in the construction sector will lead to improvements in costs, programmes, reductions in carbon, and also, from our point of view, increases in exports.
The idea that we work together collaboratively, we build digitally first, we make sure that everything fits, we make sure that everything is working in the design phase before we go to site, and then we can avoid the litigation, the conciliation, the arbitrations.
The Irish architects in dealing with PAS 1192 are ahead of it. We see it as the floor, not the ceiling.
Many companies are going beyond that and leveraging the benefits of building information modelling right through into the life cycle of the project and the operational maintenance of the building.
The construction industry leaders in Ireland support the industry's efforts in delivering projects in a leaner, more efficient way, and a mandatory BIM process will help that. However, I think more importantly, the GCC's plans to make quality a higher proportion of the award criteria will reward companies who make the investment in BIM at tender stage.
BIM is an international language that enables our members to provide services right across the globe, and I see certainly Ireland as being towards the forefront in the development of BIM.
BIM only works when we break down the silos. There's silos of disciplines, there's silos of experience, there's silos of age. And it's only when we can truly have a composite range of skills and experiences that we can truly deliver BIM in the way we all intend to deliver it.
As an educator for the last 20 years, it is important to engage with the youth.
The society is very proactive in that, in engaging with third-level institutions to ensure that prospective surveyors get the relevant experience in BIM.
The young graduates of today are fully familiar with BIM. They're the first generation we have that have grown up in a truly digital environment.
I think that they bring with them into companies new ways of looking at things and new information, new technologies. However, I believe that you must integrate that with traditional ways of doing things.
It's a tool they understand, and for a lot of them, it's actually the only tool they understand. Now, that's a stark contrast with their older colleagues who are intimidated by new emerging technologies.
Working with a new business information modelling innovation capability partner who we're just appointing, we will be working with the wider construction sector in an adoption of BIM throughout the industry. We know from working with this partner that companies will in a year's time be thinking that they should have started their digitisation programme today.
As a member organisation of the Construction Industry Council, we believe that there's a collaborative approach between the various stakeholders that are involved in the industry to promote the development of BIM amongst our members.
Well, many of our members already are implementing BIM processes on projects. However, these are all in the private sector, and we need to move on to public sector and get these processes moving in the public sector contracts.
One of the major ingredients that's missing here in Ireland is the need for a chief construction advisor to drive the adoption of BIM here in Ireland.
We would see it as being really just critical to the future of the way we design and the way we construct buildings.
When we look around today at the companies that have succeeded in BIM and the companies that are leading the way in BIM, they're actually the companies who have survived the depression that we had in 2010, 2011.